So people have an
Yeah.
idea of what you were dealing with all this communication. What kind of team, was your area, and over what geographies, and how spread was it? What kind of numbers on the department? Like, how big was the data division there?
Okay, so I think it's on the organizational structure. First of all, the remit was global, and it was mostly pertinent to 51 operating companies in different geographies that were covering pretty much sort of all the world with 4 regions. So that is the geographical scope. Then we had a hub in Krakow, internal hub, and also we had a hub in India, and we had a hub with outsource hub. So you had people reporting to the operating companies, and there were more or less 400. We had people reporting into outsource hub. It was also depending on the phase, between 200 and 400, depending on how busy we were with projects. And then we had the central team, if you wish, the operations in Krakow, and the global team, which sort of about 150 people. And the central team would look at the coordination of global projects, dissemination of knowledge in the operating companies, and also building the infrastructure that was needed, supporting the AI deployments, supporting the big programs, but at the same time also troubleshooting big data problems that were occurring in specific geographies. So it was quite a different set of activities. In terms of processes that were centralized, we were dealing with master data processes that were sort of a central level. At least they were the checks of it was centralized. We were doing with the governance, making sure that, for instance, if you look at reference data, we had the right reference data, but those deeper governance. So, for instance, with new rules coming at different parts of the world, making sure that we were fit for purpose together with the legal department in terms of our data processes for the different parts of the world. Governance has become really important in the past few years, and we saw the rise of citizen data, so that nation states are starting to be quite nervous about cross-border movement of data, which comes and odds with, if you wish, cloud deployments that are global, etc. So from one end, you go to cloud, so you don't quite know where the data are, and are with your provider. From the other,